about linear transformation and bilinear transformation. What is the linear transformation? So first we discuss about linear transformation. Linear transformation. Linear transformation. Linear transformation. Linear transformation in a complex variables means how we transform any image from Z plane to W plane. So linear transformation, a mapping means a mapping like this one, W equal AZ plus B. W equal AZ plus B is a linear transformation for all values of A and B, where A and B with a real or the complex constant. Complex constants. So we may also write this one, means this transformation like this one, W equal, if we take A outside, then this becomes Z plus B by D. And we may also write this one equal, W equal what? Mod A into e to power I phi into Z plus B. E to power I phi Z plus B. So here you may express this one, W equal mod A into e to power I phi Z plus B like this one, means W equal here, we write this one here mod AZ like this one, W1 equal mod AZ, then and W2 equal W1 into e to power I phi, this one mod A into Z is a what? W1, this one mod A into Z, and W1 into E phi 1 equal to what? W2. So what is the value for W? W become W2 plus D. W2 plus D. So if you put here the value for W2 is a what? W2 is a W1 e to power I phi plus B. And if you put the value for W1 again, then this become what? W equal mod of A into Z into e to power I phi plus what? B. So this one is a what? This one is a similar to what? Similar to this expression. So here, this property we closely observe, this property is a what? This one is a magnification. This one is called what? Magnification. This one is called what? Rotation. And this one is called what? Translation. So magnification, rotation and translation. So now one by one we discuss about this one, means with the help of example, what is the meaning of a translation, what is the meaning of a rotation, and what is the meaning of a magnification. So one by one we take a example and try to discuss about translation, rotation and magnification. So now first we take the example of a translation, then we take the example of a rotation and take the example of a magnification. What is the meaning of this one? Means that we take a mapping from W to Z, or you can say Z to W, then we try to visualize what is the meaning of a translation, rotation and magnification. Translation property, here we discuss about the first translation property. Translation property. So what is the translation? Translation means that W equal Z plus C. Z plus C. This one is your translation. Means this one translate means this one shift from one position to another position. So here we take one example, means suppose example, what is the example of our translation property? W equal z plus 2, z plus 2, here we take z plus 2 plus I, z plus 2 twice, this one here twice plus I. And what are the points? Here there are 3 points, O, A, B and C. 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 2. So now we try to find out the value for this one in a W plane under this mapping. Under this mapping. Now if we closely observe, what is the what is the value for, what is the meaning of this one? If we try to visualize this one, means OAB, this one is one. What is the value for O? O is a 0 0. This one is a 0 0. A is what? 1 0. 1 and 0. This one is a 1 0. 1 0. And second one is a 1 2. This one is a 1 2. 1 2. Suppose this one is a 1, this one is a 2. So this one is a basically, this one is a reason, this one is a reason. O, basically O, A, B, B and C. This one is a reason. Now under this mapping, this one is what? This one is a XY plane. XY plane. XY plane. This one is a Z plane. Z plane. Now what will happen under this mapping? W is a, we write W is a U plus IB, real and imaginary part. W equal U plus IB. Then this become X plus Z equal what? X plus IY plus 2 plus I. So if we write this one real and imaginary part, then this become real part become what? X plus 2. And what is the imaginary part? Plus I, Y plus 1. This one is the imaginary part. U plus IB. U plus IB. What is the value for U? Here real part become U equal X plus 2. And B equal what? B equal Y plus 1. Y plus 1. So what are the points? If we try to draw this one, means in a W plane, this one is a what? This one is a W plane. W plane. W plane. So what are the points in a W plane? If we try to write, O is a 0 0. And here we write, if we write this one here, this one is in a Z plane. Z plane. And what are the points in a W plane? W plane. So if X is a 0, then U is a what? 2. Y is a 0, then V is a 1. So what is the point? Point becomes 2 1. And suppose this one denoted by the O dash. This one is denoted by the O dash. So O dash, here we denote this one is a O dash, not equal to O dash. And if 1 0, X is a 1, then U is a what? U is a 3. 3 and Y is a 0, then 3 1. 3 1, this one is a A dash. And similarly 1 2 means a 3 and 2 means a 3. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3 3. And 0 2. 0 means X with a 0, then this one is a 2. And Y with a 2, then this one is a 3. 3. This one is a V dash and this one is a C. Now if you plot this one in a W plane and try to visualize what is the effect of this mapping. So what is the value? First value is a O dash. O dash is a what? O dash is a 2, suppose 1 and this one is a 2. 2 and 1, 2. 2 1, this one is a point. This one is a what? This one is a O. This one is a O. O dash. And second one is a what? Second one is a 3 1. A dash is a 3 1. Means a 3 and 1. This one is a point. This one is a point. This one is a A dash. And next one is a B dash is a 3 3. This means this one is a 3 3. This one is a 3 3. 3 3. And next one is a 2 3. 2 3. 2 3. This one. This one. This one. This one. So here, if you closely observe, this one, this image shifted on an x-axis 2 units and y-axis 1 units. So this one is shifted on an x-axis 2 units and y-axis 1 unit. So this image translate 2 unit on a u plane and 1 unit on a b plane. This one is a what? This one is a translation. This one is a translation. Means this image goes to here. This one map here, like this one. So this one is called what? Translation. Similarly, there is a magnification. Magnification is a what? Here if we talk about a magnification, these are the very basic concepts means for the study of bidiagram formation. So if we talk about our W equal magnification, so here what is a magnification? Magnification is a what? Magnification is a, suppose W equal, what is the mapping W equals C. This one is a what? This one is a magnification. That is a what? Suppose W equal twice z. W equal twice z. Now, if we write real and imaginary part of this one, W equal what? U plus IV, and twice z means x plus IY. Then U equal what? U equal twice x and V equal twice y. Twice y. Suppose this one is a xy plane. XY plane and these are the points. This one is a region. Suppose these are the point what? 1 0 and this one is a point 2 0 and this one is a point 1 1. Suppose this one is a 2 1. This one is a 2 1 1 2 1 2 and this one is a 2 2. This one is a 2 2. Now this one is a what? This one is a xy plane. This one is a xy plane. Now we try to visualize what is the impact of this mapping. What is the impact of this mapping? U become 2x. So u become 2x, then what will happen here? This one is a what? U and this one is a v. So if x is a 1, then u is a what? U is a 2. So this become 1 and this become 2. This one is a, and what is the value? Value become 2 0. Corresponding value become 2 0. Corresponding to this one 1 0, 1 0, then u and v become 2 and 0. Because x equal 1, then this become 2, y equal 0, then this become 0. What is the value of 2 0? 2 0 become what? 4, 2 2 is 4 and 0. So 2, 3 and 4. This one is a what? If we write here, this one is a u plane, this one is a 4 and this one is a v plane. So what is the value? Value become 4 0. This one is a 4 0. 4 0. Corresponding to this one, what is the value? 4 0. Corresponding to this one, what is the value? 1 2, then this become 1 and 4. Not a 1 and 4, 1 and 2, then this become 2 and 4. 2 and 4. This one is a 1, this one is a 2, this one is a 3, this one is a 4. Suppose this one is a 4. This one is a point 4. This one is a point 4. So 2 4. This one is a 2 4. 2 4. And last point is a what? 2 2, then this become 4 4. So this one is a reason. This one is a reason. This one is a reason. So this one is a just double of this region. Double of this region. It's a 2 time. This one magnify. 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 Means this region area for this region is just half of area for this region is just double of this region, and the area for this region is just half of this region. So this one magnify the region in a z plane to w plane. To this region, this one is called what? This one is called magnification. Similarly, rotation. Rotation means rotation. So if w equal what? W equal z into e to power I phi. Phi is the what? Phi is the angle. So if we use such type of mapping, then this one rotates the image. This one magnify the image. First one translate the image. First one shift. Translation is also called shifting. Shifting from one place to another place. And this one is a magnification, means image will be magnified if we use this type of a mapping. Image will be rotated. How the image is rotated means how we enlarge the image, then we magnify this one. How we rotate the image, then we use this type of a mapping. If we use this type of a mapping, then image will be rotated. So what is the meaning of this one? Suppose w equal what? W equal z into, this one is another example. W equal z into e to power I pi by 4. Z into e to power I pi by 4. So what is the real and imaginary part? U plus IV equal x plus IY into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 sin pi by 4. So this become what? X plus IY, this become 1 by root 2 plus I 1 by root 2. 1 by 2. So if we equate the real and imaginary part, so what is the real and imaginary part? U plus IV, this become what? This become x by root 2 and I, this one multiplied by I square, then minus y by root 2. So x minus y by root 2, this one is a real part, because x by root 2 and y by root 2, I square this one. And what is the imaginary part? Plus I, x plus y by what? Root 2. X plus y by root 2. X by root 2, y by root 2, and this one is a real and imaginary part. So what is the real and imaginary part? How image will be rotated from one place to another place. This one magnification, and next one is about rotation. How we rotate the image. How we rotate the image. Means what is the u? U become what? U become x minus y by root 2 and v become x plus y by root 2. So suppose there is any image like this one. Suppose there is any image, this one is a 1, this one is a 2, 1, 2. Suppose this one is a image, very small image like this one. This one is a very small image. What are the coordinates? Coordinate is this one is a 1, 1, and this one is a 1, 2, 1, this one is a 2, 2, and this one is a 1, 2, 1, 2, this one is the image. Now, what is the new image? This one is in an xy plane, xy plane, xy plane. Now what will happen? How this will rotate in a w plane. So suppose this one is a w plane, this one is a w plane. So what will happen here? X and y is a 1. So what is the value for u? 1 minus 1 by root 2. So what is the value? Value become 0. U becomes 0. So here we write u, here we write 1, this one is a 1, this one is a 2, this one is a 3, 1, 2, 3. First value corresponding to 1, 1. What is the value? This becomes 0 and this become 1 plus 1, this becomes 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2. And corresponding to 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 1, this become 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, and 2 plus 1, 3 by root 2, 3 by root 2, and 1, 1, 1, 2, then 2, 1, corresponding to 2, 1, then this becomes 2 minus 1 means 2 minus 1, this one is a 1 minus 2. So 2 1 and here 1, sorry, 1 2. Here we write a 1 2 because here we write a 2 1, already we write the 2 1. So 1 2 corresponding to 1 2, this become what? 1 2, this one equal to 1 minus 2 means a minus 1 by root 2, and this one is a 3 by root 2. 3 by root 2, and corresponding to 2 2, 2 2 again this become what? 0. 2 minus 2 0, and this become 4 by root 2. 4 by root 2. Now, if we try to visualize this one, now what is the value? 0 to root 2. 0 to root 2, this one is the value. 0 to root 2, and corresponding to 2 2, this becomes 0 and 4 root 2, this one. So like this one rotated like this one, here, this one. So if you closely observe, this one is like this one, then if we use this mapping, if we use what? If we use this mapping, then this image rotated at angle what? At angle pi by 4. This one is rotated with angle pi by 4. This one is the reason. This one is the reason. So this one is the reason here. Initially this one is the image. This one is the image. But this one rotated with angle what? With angle pi by 4. So this one is a what? This one is a rotation, magnification and translation. Similarly there is a inverse. Then we define what? Bilinear transformation. So in the next lecture we define what? We define the inverse transformation as well as bilinear transformation. And bilinear transformation also contain what? Also contain magnification, translation and inverse. So in the next lecture we discuss about the bilinear transformation. Thank you for watching.